Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make Shopify logo bigger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to navigate to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. Next, look at the left H-hand sidebar, which is where you'll find a menu of various options. You want to select Online Store, which will expand to show additional options. From these, click on Themes. The Themes section allows you to manage the look and feel of your online store. Now, with your theme selected, find the Customize button and click it. This brings you into the theme editor where the magic really happens. In the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your store flanked by a menu of customizable sections. We're on the hunt for a section that pertains to the header or logo settings. Depending on your theme, this could be listed simply as header or perhaps under a more general theme settings. Once you've found the appropriate section, look for an option that allows you to adjust the logo width or something similar. This setting typically allows you to change the pixel value tied to how large your logo appears on the site. Increasing this value will enlarge your logo, making it more prominent on your storefront. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sizes until it feels just right for your brand. After you've adjusted the logo size to your desired look, the final step is crucial. Hit the Save button, and there you have it. So that is how you can make Shopify logo bigger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.